can't even tell y'all how the cookies and cream is because he's not eating his own shit. He's eating my shit.
Ho, ho, ho.
Another Vlogmas. I don't know if y'all can hear me over the vents, which is fine, doesn't matter. I'm cold, so y'all gonna have to hear me over these vents. But yeah, like we really been just running errands. We did errands yesterday, and now me and honey have more errands to do today. We're about to go to Walmart. I need to get some feminine products, and then he needs to get dog food. And apparently it's supposed to be some big storm coming on Thursday and Friday. So, but why I gotta work both days of the storm, Thursday and Friday? And then in the hospital, if you get caught in a cold white and people can't come to work, you have to stay over a shift. So I could potentially have to do, I feel like y'all kind of blurry. I could potentially be required to do like 24 hours at work, which let's keep our fingers crossed that I don't have to do that, because that might be the day I get fired. So yeah. Yeah, so we're on our way to Walmart. Right, baby? Okay. Alright, I'll talk to y'all in a second. Okay, so I changed my mind. I think we're gonna get a couple of items. I look weird. I changed my mind. I think we're gonna get a couple of items for like the storm. But I just really feel like we need to not stock up, but like get things that we need to get, because for 2 days we're probably not gonna be able to go anywhere. And
There you go there, huh?
And I heard the temperatures was gonna be like severely low. So I do want to make sure that we have things. I just want to make sure we have things that we'll probably need. Yeah, so we kind of good surprisingly on groceries. But of course they ate all the fucking cookies in one day. I checked the cookie pack today and the shit is empty. So I don't know. But anyway. Okay, y'all. Baby, I can already tell the temperature is getting low out there because it is super warm in here. Like, and Walmart usually be cold. You going this way? What? Yeah, so nutritionally developed with small dogs, real food from the fridge. Maybe. But she don't like chicken. She like chicken, but she really like beef and stuff. Beef and egg. There's a little chicken, but it looks like it's smaller. Oh, it looks smaller than this one, though. Let me see. How many ounces this is? 8 ounce?
How many ounces this is? 8 ounce.
Girl, you let him know. Let me tell him.
Yeah, so they have this little stuff like dog food, kind of like, but it's wet dog food. So like the way it's packaged too. This is so cute, y'all. Yeah, how simple the packaging is. That's good packaging. Like, it's not too much going on like the other ones. It just seems really simple. They got some bandanas, but I can make her bandanas, honestly. I need to check the price of this. But you know what? I think they took them little things they used to scan the price in the middle of the aisle. I think they took them away. Actually. I don't know. Let me see what they got for her. I'm not used to shopping for no dog. A bandana set. Where is the clothes? That's what I'm here for. The clothes. I mean, I can't find a definitive section for the clothes. She really needs a small, not an extra small. I wonder how much this is. I just want to check. I don't know where the clothes are. The fuck?
Dog clothes.
Yeah, like the section. Like, shouldn't it be like an actual section? No? I think I want to do this. I like that. Oh, I see a little... Oh, here's some clothes here. I found another section too of stuff, just like a random ass box sitting here. But let me see what they got for Lucinda. Oh. Can I go to Starbucks? That's the last trick. What the hand sanitizer?
Ain't none.
You just out here raw dogging?
Raw dogging.
Oh my god.
No coverage.
So y'all know I talked all that shit about I was gonna get something from Walmart for the house and didn't get shit. Yeah, all dog shit. It's something wrong with me. So basically, we back from Walmart, and I just got a few items because everybody know how Walmart is. You go in there trying to spend $20, you come out spending $200, and I ain't got time for that. Anyway, I got this the Fresh Cut Small Dog bite size with green beans and potatoes. It's supposed to be beef. She really likes beef, so we'll see how she likes this. I gotta find out how to feed. But I need to know how to like feed this to her. It says cause she's like 12 pounds, I think. It said feed her 1 1/4 up to 1 1/4 cups per day. But actually, I could just kind of mix it in with her hard food, cause she liked that anyway, the hard food. So I can mix it in with her hard food and see how she likes it. They say I'm really supposed to be feeding her twice a day. I only feed her once a day because it's like, to me, she a small dog, so like, maybe I should start feeding her 2 times a day. I don't know, but like small, tiny meals, not like big meals. Cause I know that she's not like a big eater. So, yeah, it's like 12 o'clock at night, and now I'm like, I should just make something. And so that's what I'm doing. Now I got this crushed velour is the name of it. I have this fabric from Walmart. I think I spent like $7 for each. I think yard and a half. Wait a minute, let me look at it, because it was like $7. Oh, and I changed my room around too. Y'all gonna be like, what the fuck? Okay, So, okay, so for $1.50, it was crushed velour. And I got it from Walmart for like $7. So I got 2 of these. I'll just give y'all an idea how my room looks now. Like, it's completely different from what it was before. But anyway. So I have a pair of pants that I really like. Like, when I say I love the fit of these pants, like, they hug my body like, yes. So I'm like, what if I use these as the pattern? So I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna cut, and I'm already doing a TikTok, of course, but I wanted to take y'all along with me too. So I'm gonna prop y'all up somewhere. Pretty much the end of the vlog. I didn't really do much today. I did some shopping at Walmart. I did like some rearranging of my room, but I'm gonna show y'all my room tomorrow. It's done, but it's not like done. So I want to wait until it's like done. And I started working on sewing an outfit today. And so yeah, this is the end of the vlog. So y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am so tired, but I'm trying to keep this Vlogmas thing going for y'all. So that's why y'all gotta be liking my videos and stuff. Mr. Man over there just getting down. God, really. Anyway. Oh, I'm finna eat some ice cream. This is about to be my little nightcap. Yazzo. We call them Yazzos, but it's Yazzo Greek yogurt bars. I don't even like yogurt. I only like 2 kinds of yogurt: spicy yogurt and like Greek yogurt, but in the ice cream form. So this one is sea salt and caramel. Honey got cookies and cream. Is it good, man?
Oh, yeah, same thing.
You didn't get salted caramel. Why you ain't eat your cookies and cream? Why you eating my salted caramel? I can't even tell y'all how the cookies and cream is, because he's not eating his own shit. He's eating my shit. You told me I could get one. Then you gonna eat what you told me I could get?
How you doing?
That's what it looks like, y'all. My lighting is very yellow in this room. I meant for it to be like that, real dim. Chill. Y'all remember this here in the hamster was on the other side of the room? In the corner. Now look at it. You got so good.
Super boom boom.
Oh yeah.
Some action.
Alright, y'all. Shut up.
Ho, ho, ho.